If you like data, if you are interested in machine learning, then you must watch this video. So in this video, I'm going to test Einstein Discovery. The reason I say I'm going to test Einstein Discovery is because we are going to generate predictions. We are going to apply machine learning algorithms on a data set that is found on Kaggle. We are not going to use any data set that is found on Trailhead. We are not going to apply machine learning algorithms to records that already exist in my developer org. We are going to do this from scratch. We are going to go on Kaggle, find a data set, download it, upload it to my environment, apply machine learning algorithm, generate predictions, and we're going to do this with clicks, not writing a single line of code. So if all of this sounds exciting, keep watching. So I'm on Kaggle.com and I found this dataset called diamonds, where we can analyze diamonds by their cut, color, clarity, price, and so on. We will try to predict the price of a diamond based on these attributes that are available as part of the dataset. This is my dataset. Let's look at the dataset here. So we have cuts, which are ideal, premium, good, very good. We have colors, clarity, depth, price, XYZ, and so on. Awesome. All right, so this looks like a perfect data set to try, or rather to test Einstein Discovery. So let me start downloading this data set. Okay. Okay, so let's start with step one. Step one is to upload the data set. So I'm going to click on create, select dataset, CSV file, select diamonds.csv, enter, click on next, private app is fine, and I'm not going to change anything here. Simply click on upload file and wait for the file to finish uploading. Okay, so the dataset has finished uploading, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and create a story. So let's click here. So Einstein is first going to ask me, what do I want to analyze? So we want to analyze or predict price. So that's what we're going to select. And we know that the price is always going to be greater than 0, right? So let's click on this. Let's call it diamonds price prediction and click on story type. When I click on story type, Einstein presents two options: insights only and insights plus prediction. Now remember, the goal of this video is not to just generate insights. We want to test Einstein Discovery. So we want Einstein Discovery to generate insights, apply machine learning algorithm, and generate predictions, and then we want to see how accurate Einstein Discovery was. And if it has some insights or improvements that we can use to further improve our model. So I'm going to select insights and predictions. Click on setup options. Here I'm going to select automated, because again, the goal of this video is to test Einstein Discovery. So we want automated machine learning algorithms applied on the data set that we found on Kaggle. Okay, so let me click on create story. This is going to take some time, so we will meet right after the story has finished uploading. All right, so Einstein has finished creating the story, and when I open up the story, this is what I get. I get the correlation XYZ. So Y is highly correlated with price, so is X, caret, Z, colors, clarity, and so on. But it also tells me a story, right? So it tells me when is the price highest. The price is highest when the carat of a diamond is between 1.52 to 5.01. It also gives me insights, right? So here are some cases where price was better than average. So the average is $3,932, but the price is better than average when Y is between 7.31 to 58.9, and I forget what Y is, so let's pull that up. Why is width? So when the width of the diamond is between 7.31 to 58.9, the price is $8,700 above this price, right? It also tells us when the price was worse than average and so on. So a lot of great insights generated by Einstein Discovery. As you can see, I can keep scrolling, and there's tons and tons of insights on a data set that was fairly simple, right? It didn't have a lot of columns. We didn't do a lot of data engineering. We didn't do a lot of computation. Yet it generated so many insights for us, which is fantastic. Now I can click on review alerts and see what alerts do we have. So first, Einstein says, hey, this is highly accurate. The R square is 0.95, and it says that this high score indicates that the model performs so well, there might be data leakage. Investigate and remove any variables that are implicated in data leakage. So we don't think this is data leakage. Diamond's data set is found on Kaggle. We're going to use that. So we're going to ignore this alert for now. Okay. But this is great, right? Imagine uploading a data set and not knowing that your data has some variable that is highly correlated and you have data leakage. This Einstein Discovery will actually tell you that, hey, I think there could be data leakage. Here are the columns that you may want to remove because there is high correlation between this particular dimension and the results. And you can investigate, you can talk to your business users, and you can remove those columns or keep them in your data set depending on what your business outcome is. Right? It also suggests buckets. So there's a lot of improvements that Einstein Discovery is making for us, and this is again great. I can create these buckets. Again, I'm doing this using clicks, right? So I can just simply go here, click on apply the new buckets, and Einstein Discovery will do the job for me. So I don't have to go back, create recipes. This is all handled, taken care by Einstein Discovery. All right. Now let's look at the prediction. So when I go to prediction, or actually let's look at the model. The model accuracy here is pretty high, right? It's significant. It's 94% accuracy, which is great. But I can also look at model evaluation. It gives me predicted versus actual plots. This is absolutely fantastic, right? Cross validation. It gives me coefficients. This is amazing. I can download the CSV. This is absolutely fantastic. I can go to prediction examination. This is a training data set. This is the value that was predicted. What was the actual residual percentage? All that. This is amazing. All right. It also tells me that it applied regression. Of course, we're predicting numbers, so it's going to be regression. It's not going to be a classification, but it also tells me what algorithm it applied, right? Now, if I want, I can compare it to another model. I can even view and copy R code. So I can look at this. I can copy to clipboard and share this code with my data science team. Okay, my mind is completely blown because Einstein Discovery is such a powerful tool. We went on Kaggle, downloaded a data set, uploaded that to Tableau CRM, and Einstein Discovery did everything for us. It generated insights, it generated predictions, we know what model it ran, it gave us the R code, we could see the results on a training data set, it gave us insights. Absolutely amazing. In the coming days, I'm going to explore the full potential of Einstein Discovery. So I'm going to go on Kaggle, explore some other data sets, upload it to Einstein Discovery and see what I can get out of it. And I encourage you to do the same. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button. Do not forget to hit subscribe. This is a new channel. Your support will help me to grow. Your support will help me to create content that is helpful for you. Until then, have fun and I'll see you next week.